Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the fourth day of Tour De Fleece and my Paradise Fibers blanket spin. I am Tina, and this is Tina's workshop. And I'm getting to you a little bit late because I've been getting myself ready. I'm having my tea and my Belvita. I like tea and Belvita. It's very yummy. So I'm getting ready to get going. I know I'm not going to get a whole lot done today. So my goals today are spindle spinning. So I'll do as much of that today as I can. I did get dog. I did get some of this pre-drafted yesterday. So hopefully maybe later today I'll get around to working on a bobbin of that, but I'm not setting that as a goal because I'm not going to pressure myself that I have to get that done. But so goal today, spindle spinning. And if I get around to something else, bonus. So otherwise, it will be spindle spinning. And if you are new here, I do have a playlist, and you can go back and see the rest of my days. I am doing, as I just said, a Paradise Fibers blanket spin. I'm using past Paradise Fibers Fiber of the Month Club, and I do have an affiliate link down below and a discount code. So check that out, and I will be back in a few hours with the update, and we'll see how far I've gotten today. So fingers crossed. See y'all in a bit. Happy spinning. I want to start off by saying thank you to the viewer who told me that my upload today was not complete. There had been, I think, 12 views on my video today, and I had one viewer that commented and said, the video just all of a sudden cut off. And I went back and I checked, and sure enough, it did. It was an 8-minute video that was supposed to be 15 minutes long. So when I got home today, I got on and I tried to re-upload it, and on my computer it said 15 minutes, and online it was not 15 minutes. So then I called my son and I said, you've got to come over here and sit down and help me figure this out. And he got on, and sure enough, what had happened was the file was actually corrupted on my computer, and something happened when it came out of the editing software, and it was showing as 15 minutes, but somewhere after 8 minutes, the file corrupted and had messed up. So when it uploaded onto YouTube, it only uploaded 8 minutes of it because I'd tried, uploading it multiple times. So we had to re-export it, dog, and re-upload it. So if you had watched it this morning and only saw 8 minutes and saw 2 items, and that was it, the full video is now up and the whole thing is there, the whole 15 minutes. So you can go back and see the rest of it. So thank you to that viewer who let me know. Okay, so on to my progress from today. I did get a little spindle spinning done, not as much as I thought I might have gotten done. When we left, we got up this morning trying to get things done here, and then we leave, and we weren't going super far, and I don't know, almost felt rushed when we were in the car, and going from here to there, I didn't get anything done. And we got there, we went in and said hello to a couple people and sat down, and the service was starting. So I didn't do any spinning while we were there. And then we went from there. We were in the processional over to the cemetery, and I did get some spinning done on the way to the cemetery, and we decided, we, not we, it decided to downpour, um, which, if you believe in those things, is good luck. So it was very warm, and it was there's lots of trees at the cemetery. So when you were looking at the trees, there's lots of water coming down by the trees. But as we walked over to where they had the tent set up, I actually hardly got wet. So they had a quick graveside service, and we left from there. We had a couple stops to make on the way home. I did a little bit of spindle spinning in the car. One of the stops on the way home, I actually got to do a little bit of the drop spindle. So I got a little spindle spinning done today, but not a whole lot. If I think about it when I'm editing, I'll put in a picture from yesterday to kind of do a comparison, but see if I remember that. But it was not a whole lot. So this was my traveler spindle, and I had actually, I think it was only like this yesterday, and I added some up onto it, and then it's got a little bit out. I was thinking what I should almost do is weigh it, and then I can weigh it the next day and see how much my grams increase. That's what I should do, is make a note of my grams, and it's not going to make really any difference as far as today goes, but tomorrow I could let you know what it is. Pen. I was looking for a pen. So this is counting the spindle itself. So it's just going to be that increase in grams. So currently, with spindle included for the traveler, we have 26 grams. So we'll see how much our grams increase tomorrow. I think that's going to be the best way to be like, okay, this is how much I spun on that. Okay, and then the drop spindle. This is what that one is looking like. So I got a little bit done on it. But again, I don't really think it was a whole lot. So let's see what that is sitting at. That is sitting at 29 grams, including the spindle. So we'll see what that ends up at tomorrow. I think this one should get a bit more because I will be sitting in a doctor's office with my sister-in-law, and this will be the one I'll probably be working on more. So that's where those ones are at. And then, surprise, surprise. So while I was sitting here trying to deal with technical difficulties and getting things to re-upload and everything, and when we got home, we were hungry and all that. So I was like, okay, my son made us burritos, and he makes really good burritos. So he made us all burritos. So it was a little bit later. It's actually 7 o'clock right now. So I'm doing this a little bit late. But I was like, you know what? I'm not worried about trying to get down to make dinner because we just ate these. It's kind of late. Nobody's going to be hungry for a number of hours. I'm going to sit and do some spinning while this stuff's all uploading, even though I could be doing recording and editing right now while it's uploading. That's what I did yesterday. But I'm like, I want to get some spinning done. So this might go up a little bit later, but we're doing some spinning. So I've been spinning while all that stuff was uploading. And I got, you don't need to see the ugly tail. Ugh. I got a bobbin spun. I'm happy. I'm so happy. Those things that make you so happy. So I do have my fleece sitting right back there for the second bobbin. So hopefully I'll I don't know. Tomorrow I think is going to be a really long day, so I don't know that that second bobbin will get spun tomorrow. But I did get one spun today, so at least that got done. So yeah, and I did not get a lot done on those spindles, so I'm really glad I got this one done. So tomorrow should be getting more done on the spindles. So at least I'll feel, in a sense, a little bit better. So I got that done. So, okay, day 4 done. Another spindle. Another bobbin done. Yes. I think that's all I've got. So, bobbin done, little bit of spindles done, spindle spinning, a fixed Paradise Fibers video. So I will end this off, get it edited, get it uploaded, hopefully without any issues tonight. That would be nice. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know, how is your Tour De Fleece coming along? And I will see you guys I will see you in the morning, but you will see me tomorrow night.